let's go through how to find the y-intercept given the slope and a point. So sometimes this is written as like a sentence, and so it says like a line goes through the point -3, 6 and has a slope of -1/4. What is the y-intercept? And so for these ones, whenever you're asked for the y-intercept, you are going to want to use the equation y equals mx plus b, because our given information can be plugged into this equation and we can find our y-intercept, which is b. So our slope is already labeled m, but sometimes if it's written in a sentence, it'll say like the slope is -1/4. You have to know that slope and m are the same. And then every point is x comma y. And so now we can walk through this equation and just plug in what we know. So y is 6. M is -1/4, X is -3, and B we don't know. That's what we're trying to find. So I'm going to solve this equation for B, trying to get B by itself. And so the first thing I want to do is distribute and multiply. So we get 6 equals, and since this is a fraction, I'm going to go ahead and grab a calculator. And I'm going to do, -1/4 times -3 to get 0.75. You could also do, if it gives you a fraction, that would be 3/4, so you could do that as well. It's up to you. I'm going to use the decimal because that's just what I prefer. And then if I'm trying to get b by itself, I do need to get rid of this piece, and since it is positive, I'm going to do that by subtracting 0.75. And 6 minus 0.75 is 5.25. So I get 5.25 is equal to b. So now when I find my b, all I need to do is write it as a point. So this one kind of gave you a hint, but you have to make sure that every y-intercept is written as a coordinate point. And since it's a y-intercept, it's going to be 0, 5.25 is our final answer.